Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to begin. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi and check iPad OS is up to date so nothing interrupts account creation. Make sure you have a working email and a strong password. This reduces security prompts later. Now open Settings, tap Sign into your iPad, and select Create Apple ID. This launches the form. Once done, you'll enter name, birth date, email, and password fields. Follow on-screen hints to meet password rules and avoid errors. You'll now fill out personal details. Type your name and accurate birth date because Apple uses this for age checks and recovery. Create a strong password that meets the requirements. This prevents repeated rejections. Next, choose security questions or enable two-factor authentication for better protection and provide a reachable phone number. Apple sends a verification code to your email or phone. Enter that code promptly. Once verified, you'll be guided through terms and conditions and optional payment setup. Complete the final screens. Accept terms, optionally add a payment method and billing address if you plan to buy apps, otherwise choose None. After creation, sign into iCloud and the App Store so contacts, photos, and purchases sync. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID and iCloud keychain prompts are configured to save credentials. If you don't receive a verification code, check Wi-Fi, confirm the email's spam folder, and request a new code. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.